What's up guys, Ozzie, HPP Racing. I'm back again with another video. I know I haven't done one in a while, but I do appreciate all you all support. You've been buying our gear, you've been buying it online on hppracing.com, but this video is about the end of Boosted Ego. So there wasn't a big breakup, there wasn't a divorce, nothing like that. You know, we just went our separate ways. Eric had a lot of family stuff he wanted to take care of, and we were going our different routes. He decided to retire. Rumors have it he's back in the game, but we decided we were going a different route and we're going to stay that route. So this is the Boosted Ego car. A lot of you guys know for a long time we've been doing this. This has been on No Prep Kings, it's been on the street races, it's been everywhere else. It was in Fastest in America. A lot of you watch it on Monday nights. You love the show and I love the support. We ended up 10th fastest in the country. It was a hard task because right before the race, the car was making so much power, it was running great, it literally ripped the wheel off. It ripped the tire off, the car hit the actual tree at the track. So we screwed up the front end, we got the front end fixed at the last second. All of that came upon because you remember at No Prep Kings, we had our C7 Corvette. It went into a fiery crash. We were having a tough race out there. He stayed in it. Not his fault, not anybody's fault. It just happens, it's a racing deal. So as soon as that happened, Eric got his foot hurt. You all know he broke his foot. The car became a fiery crash. So we had to unretire the Boosted Ego Camaro. We unretired it, brought it back, tried to fix everything as soon as we can. We got it fixed. We got it ready for Fastest in America. We ran in Fastest in America, finished 10th on the list. It was a great season, great everything. We went to No Prep Kings, but on the track, this car is really a street car. So on the track, it doesn't perform as fast as it should. You know, it's on there, it's consistent, it does its job, but we wanted to go a new route. We have a special new car that we're building. I can't reveal it right now, but as soon as we reveal this car, you guys are gonna be shocked. It's a beautiful car. It weighs about 500 pounds less, makes a lot of power, and we have a driver that a lot of you know, and a lot of you know he's very close to HPP. So as soon as we get this car ready, we get it ready from the crash, get to the first No Prep Kings race. It does a good showing. We lost in the first round to Daddy Dave, but it was a close race. It was about a car and a half or so, and that's when our fallout came out. The car's gone, you know, it's gonna be retired now. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna say, look, you can check out the car. It's been a great car for us for years. It wasn't like I said earlier, it wasn't a big breakup. I don't want people to get in the comment section and think there was a big overfight with Eric and all that. It's just a racing deal. People go their separate ways. But the Boosted Ego car has performed for us for a long time. It's done everything we've ever asked it to do. This is the end of the Boosted Ego. We're coming out with a new car. You're gonna love the new car. I'm gonna show you the last races this car had. We're gonna see them in the videos. We had it on the street. These are close-up races. This is gonna show the action that happened when we actually crashed the car, and you'll see exactly how the car got retired and why it got retired. We're gonna bring out the next video, guys. Stay tuned, please, because we're gonna bring you a lot of content. I got a new camera guy. He's really excited about working with us. He's really excited about all the content, and I hope you guys can stick around. Hit a subscribe. I know you guys have been following us. I know you guys have been giving us everything. You've been helping us out big time, not only with merchandise gear, but to give you this content, I really need the subscribers. I need the help so I can build up this channel. I'm gonna get this car ready for you. I'm gonna get this video ready. I'm gonna put the new car, which you guys are gonna be really excited about. When you see this new car, you are gonna be shocked. It's gonna look like a street car. It's gonna be the closest car out there to a street car. It's gonna have the same Hartz turbo, a big old 143 millimeter single turbo. It's gonna still use the Steve Morris racing engine. We're still gonna go with Turbo Smart, PDP. We're still gonna use all the same stuff, but in a different style car. It's gonna go out there. We're hoping to have it ready for Ohio or have it ready for Houston. If we have it ready, you guys are gonna see this big reveal. It's only 2 or 3 weeks away, so stay tuned. As always, go to hppracing.com. Help us get to these races. I appreciate all the times you guys go on there, buy the shirts, buy the hats, buy the hoodies. It helps us get to the races and we get to meet you guys at the different states we go to. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you all next time.